Good morning, all. It's a lazy weekend again, and my sizzling hot idli is just getting prepared. But my recipe is not idli, it's about two varieties of chutney which I'm going to prepare for it. One is a coconut chutney, the ingredient here, and next one will be the spicy onion chutney. Okay, so let's have a look at the ingredients. I'll be also giving you some tips to get the real, the hotel style chutney. So first thing I have here, half cup of coconut. Make sure that the coconut what you have doesn't have the brown portion when you're scraping. Try not to include that in this. Okay, this half cup. And as far as possible, try to have a fresh coconut, not the one which you have scrapped and kept it in the fridge. Don't use that. Just scrap out a fresh coconut. Only then you will have that that milky taste in that. So try to have a fresh coconut. So this is about half cup of coconut. So for half cup of coconut, I've just taken 2 tablespoons of the roasted Bengal gram. This will just absorb all the water content when you're grinding the coconut chutney. And just for taste, 2 pearl onions and small bit of ginger and 2 to 3 green chili. This is for a medium spice. You may adjust according to your taste, and some salt. That's it. So let's first grind this in a mixer jar. I'll be using the stove only to season it, so that's why I'm here with the mixer jar. Adding the green chili, coconut, all the ingredients into it. Okay, and then 1/3 teaspoon of salt I'm adding. Later, when you're adding water, you may add little extra also. So first try adding a little less water. Salt. So I've not added any water. And for the coconut chutney, never grind it, over grind it, just coarsely it should be. First we'll add little bit of water and then we can dilute it as per your taste. This is done. See, I've grinded it in the first speed of the mixie, because it should not get heated. It should remain cold. If you touch also, it should be cold. Only then your chutney will taste good. Otherwise, since you have added the Bengal gram, it will get roasted and it will not taste good. And we are not going to roast this, just season it. Okay, now this is done. So only maximum for 1 minute you can just grind it in the first step of the mixer. That's it. Now I'll show you I'm just pouring out this water, this mixer water also. Don't waste this. Okay, for diluting you may use this water, and extra water also you may use. Now time to make our spicy red chili and onion chutney. So for this is what the ingredients are. This is about 15 to 20 pearl onion. If you don't have a pearl onion, you may just substitute it with the big onion what you get. But believe me, adding this will take this chutney to another level. Try adding this, okay? And for spice, this is about 4 spicy red chili I've taken. You may adjust according to your spice, but this chutney tastes good if it is really spicy. And 2 to 3 curry leaves. This is not for seasoning, okay? This is for which will be grinded along with the chutney. And a bit of the tamarind. And this is the Badige chili. This does not have any spice. This is just for the same like the Kashmiri chili. This just gives a color, so it will have an awesome color when you add this. So don't keep adding this. About 2 to 3 Badige chili I've taken. This is a Karnataka chili. That's it. Now let's make a grind it into a smooth paste. First I'll grind the chili and the tamarind. Okay. Now I'll add the curry leaves and the honey. yet to add the salt. I'll add it now. Whatever the salt required, please add it when you're grinding, not after that. Only then it will get mixed properly. And I'm also yet to add the water also. I've added little extra salt because it's a spicy chili chutney, so you will need little extra. Made a smooth paste out of this. Coconut chutney I had made it coarsely. I had grinded coarsely, but the onion chutney I made a smooth paste. This tastes good if you do it like this. Now let's season both of the chutneys. We have come to the last step, which is seasoning both the chutneys. That is our coconut chutney and the onion, spicy onion chutney. So for that, the quantity of this is for both the chutneys. This item what I've taken, and this is 1 teaspoon of mustard, some curry leaves, some chopped red chili, and this is shallots or the pearl onion which I've chopped. If you don't have a pearl onion, you may use a normal onion. So now let's go and season the chutneys. Okay, I've kept a pan. This is a little larger pan because we are seasoning for 2 items together. And I've put 1 tablespoon of oil. You don't need much oil for seasoning, but this is for the 2 together. The oil is hot. I'm adding the mustard. Onion, this has to be roasted golden. Curry leaves, red chili. That's it, done. Switch off the flame. So our quick and simple coconut chutney and the onion chutney is just ready. This I have prepared as per the request of one of my subscriber known as Shiv Kumar. So Shiv Kumar, this is dedicated to you. So please do prepare this. It's quite simple, and believe me, if you're habit of having 2 to 3 idlis, you'll end up having at least 6 idlis. So try this and share your views with me. So have a nice day, happy cooking, and happy weekend too.